Makumalo wants people from Muzumbe to shift to go to find somewhere else to stay because she wants to run a mining business. That mine is going to affect their lives because of the dust. But people, they are not going to tolerate Makumalo. They are going to tolerate Musamseleko. Now it's a challenge between Makumalo and Musamseleko. Musamseleko want Makumalo to be down, and Musamseleko is going to take advantage. People, they tolerate Musamseleko. Musamseleko, he is like a leader in Muzumbe because of his content. He is the big celebrity in South Africa. So Musamseleko is not going to tolerate Makumalo's decision. Musamseleko can say Makumalo have to close that business. What I saw, he can say Makumalo have to close the business because they are not together. Musamseleko, he is not benefiting through mine. Musamseleko was expecting that he is going to benefit on that mine, but Makumalo is not giving Musamseleko a cent, and now there is a challenge. People in Muzumbe are complaining about the mine. What's going to be happen now? Because even Musamseleko is going to shift to go to find somewhere else to stay, I don't think Makumalo is going to win that challenge. Because Musamseleko love Muzumbe a lot, he can say Makumalo, you have to close the mine. What I saw, Makumalo have to find something to do, a business to do, or to find somewhere to have a mine than in Muzumbe, because in Muzumbe there is a challenge and people, they can take advantage of their situation. People in Muzumbe, they know that Makumalo and Musamseleko, they don't talk to each other, so there is a challenge now between her business. So Makumalo, if she want, you have to dig ama diamonds and leave, because sometimes to say people, they have to shift or what, I don't think she is going to win the challenge. You have to do your business fast and you have millions and leave and find another business to do. Makumalo, she is staying in Durban. Find something to build shops or to do something. So that mining business, I don't think Makumalo is going to win. Yes, Makumalo have a business and Musamseleko want to benefit on that business. But Musamseleko saw that he is not benefiting any cent or to have shares on that business. So Musamseleko is not going to support Makumalo because they are not husband and wife. It's a challenge. So people, they can take advantage of that situation. Their situation is very serious. Makumalo at other side, because the person who's supposed to support Makumalo or to talk to people to shift in Muzumbe is Musamseleko. Musamseleko, people are listening to Musamseleko when he talk, when he stand and talk in front of people, they open their ears and they listen to Musamseleko more than the chief in Muzumbe. People, they listen a lot because Musamseleko, he is like a king in Muzumbe. So it's a challenge to Makumalo now. Even Musamseleko's wives, they are not going to support the whole family. They are not going to support Makumalo's decision because the person who is going to benefit is Makumalo. They lose their houses in Muzumbe. And Makumalo doesn't care about losing her house in Muzumbe because she is going to benefit more than that house in Muzumbe. Makumalo doesn't care about the house in Muzumbe at all. She can move her own property. If that house can be destroyed or what, doesn't care. But Musamseleku cares a lot because he doesn't have a place to stay. Musamseleku buy houses for his wives in Durban. But when it comes to his place, maybe he can say Macele's place because Macele is his wife, his real wife. But Mayeni and Mangwawe, you can't count them because Mayeni and Mangwawe, they don't want to be with Musamseleku full time. They want to be alone. Maybe Macele. Musamseleku, his house is in Muzumbe. So it's a challenge to him. He can say Makumalo can close the mind. Hey guys, it's a challenge to Tovile. I don't know. Because Musamseleku gave Makumalo an idea, but he can show that that idea he gave Makumalo is not, he is not benefiting. he is not benefiting on that idea. So he can say Makumalo have to close the mine and he wins now. Musamseleku is going to win over Makumalo.